The Caribbean Genders and Sexualities Research Symposium was done under the theme Evaluating the Current State of Affairs in the Region and Looking to the Future. Director of the Cipriani College of Labor and Co-operative Studies, Dr. Andre Vincent Henry, said, "There isn't enough information available to the public on the issues affecting LGBTQI+ communities, gender-based violence, and men and masculinity identities in the Caribbean region."
What we found when we were in the field is that while there are institutions and entities in the region doing work on gender, and institutions and entities doing work on the workplace, we found that there wasn't a deep dive, a significant interrogation of the issues of how gender affects and what are the dynamics of gender in the workplace.
He said the systems in place for protecting these groups are not addressing their concerns. When it comes to violence, Legal Services Manager at the Children's Authority of Trinidad and Tobago and Attorney-at-Law Renee Joseph said knowledge about gender-based violence should be incorporated into the school curriculum.
Most schools, I think, have the family life education program, and I think even teaching children how to detect it as well, and teaching that silence is not an option. And everybody has to be their brother's keeper. And so we will be peeping through the window, but when the police come, we will see nothing.
Ms. Joseph highlighted the lengthy wait time for police to respond to such cases might also be a deterrent for individuals who might be willing to share information. She said there is also a need for the restructuring of the law enforcement systems.
I think the establishment of the gender-based violence unit was a step in the right direction, but we also, I think, need a gender-based tone, because sometimes DV matters get eclipsed by the more serious offenses. And as far as I'm concerned, crime is crime, right? So we need to have due regard for what we deem to be these trivial offenses.
According to the CCLC, the Latin America and Caribbean regions experienced severe economic contraction with rising incidences of gender-based violence and growing concerns about men and masculinity identities. Mahalia Joseph-Wharton, TTT News.